Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are from Ethiopia. We are now at the border of Kenya and Ethiopia. I'm with my friends.
Sorry.
And
I was
Bushra.
lost in this breeze anyways. It takes you to another world. I mean, this is beautiful. Can
And
you
it's
just
water.
visit?
It's green and it's cool air. Cool
Wow,
breeze.
just look at this place. Look at this place.
When you're told in the northeastern Hana,
And this is not Eastern, by the way, is it?
yeah.
It's Mandera County. This river
This
is
sand
the
comes
source
from the
of
rivers.
this river is the source of so many things for the people in Mandera North, especially Ramu.
Yeah. We have sand.
You see
There
the
are cheap prices.
Can you see the building materials that is being picked from the river? That is sand. It's used to build houses. That is permanent houses. And also there is fishing. There's so many things.